Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called The Little Hedgehog. Before he got to know all the animals in the forest, the little hedgehog thought that they all looked like him. He thought that they all had spines. When he took his first walk into the forest, he was amazed to see that this was not quite so. The first one he met was Mr. Rabbit. So he asked him, "Don't you have spines?" "No way," said Mr. Rabbit. "I have the softest and fluffiest fur. I'm very proud of it. I also have 4 little legs. That helps me run fast. All my ancestors were champion athletes, and I like running too. I work out every day so I can become a champion too. This is my favorite game. Do you want to run with me?" "But I can't run fast," said the little hedgehog. "If you can run a little bit every day, one day you'll be able to be a good runner too," said Mr. Rabbit, and hop, hop, he went off looking for a carrot. As he looked at Mr. Rabbit running, the little hedgehog said to himself, "I wish I also had such soft fur and such fast legs like Mr. Rabbit. I only have some helpless spines." Yes, but okay, this is what I also want to say. You do have spines, but the spines are for protection. He sighed and continued his journey through the forest. "Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit," said a tiny frog jumping in front of him. The little hedgehog asked her too, "Don't you have spines?" "Me? Spines? No way! I have the shiniest green skin that helps me slide easily through water. I also have 4 little springy legs that help me do amazing jumps. In fact, we froggies are champion jumpers. This is our favorite game. We work out daily to keep Hoyer beside the lake. Now I'm late to swimming lessons. Do you want to join me?" "But I can't swim," said the little hedgehog to himself. "Then you must learn. Swimming makes you healthy, and it helps you get stronger," said the little frog, and splash, he jumped into the water with her friends. Looking at her swim, the little hedgehog said to himself, "I wish I could be like the little frog. If only I could jump and swim like her. My spines don't help me swim or jump." He sighed and kept walking through the forest. After a while, he came across a little sparrow. "Chirp, chirp." The little sparrow greeted him. The little hedgehog looked at her feathers in surprise. "Where are your spines?" "Spines? I have no such thing, and I have no use for spines." "You do. You use those for protection or hunting." "Okay," replied the little sparrow. "My body is covered in fine, soft feathers. My wings help me fly. How do your spines help you?" "I don't know," said the little hedgehog, ashamed. "Maybe you'll find out one day," the little sparrow encouraged him. "I couldn't fly from the very first start, but when I was a baby sparrow, I didn't understand how I could use my wings. But now I found out. I train every day to become a champion. Flying is my favorite game. Do you want to fly with me?" "Right now I can't fly, but maybe I'll learn one day," said the hedgehog. "Nothing can stop you from trying," said the little sparrow. Hopping joyfully, and flap, flap, she flew away. The little hedgehog looked at her flapping her wings, and said to himself, "I wish I could be like the little sparrow so that I could fly like her. But my spines don't help me." He sighed and continued his journey. Right about then, some children and a white, playful dog arrived on the same path, walking through the same forest. Taken by surprise, the little hedgehog didn't have time to hide, and he stayed really close to the ground. "Look, there's a hedgehog," announced one of the children. In a second, everybody gathered around him. "He's so cute," said the little girl. "I think he's a cub. Look at his stingy spines." The dog came close and sniffed the hedgehog, but when his little black nose touched a prickle, he was startled. "Woof, woof! That thing can sting!" he barked. Though the hedgehog, even more scared, rolled up into a ball. "Look, look!" cried the little boy. "He rolled up!" Then an older boy came by and said to them, "When hedgehogs are in danger, they roll up and their spines keep intruders away. As long as he stays rolled up like this, nobody can hurt him." The hedgehog was listening carefully. When he heard the boy, he was relieved. "Aha! Now I know what my spines are for, so they can protect me from danger." As he was trying to find a more comfortable position, he was starting to roll around nicely. Surprised at what he could do, he did it again and again and again. "Look what I can do! It's so good to roll around. This game is so much fun. It's rolling! It's rolling!" a little girl cheered. The children were jumping for joy all around him, and now the little hedgehog was feeling very special. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!